fucking with no girl. Been bossed up in on the road. You drive when I'm on the road. My heart is not for sale, girl.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another. I'm talking gas. You heard me? Look, I'm about to get y'all girl arrested with a banger. You know what I'm talking about? Like, you know, she be coming with that fire. So, look, I'm about to get her ass back. So, right now, I'm about to go pick up my sons real quick, and they in on this banger, too. You feel me? So, like, I'm about to have them do some shit. You know what I'm talking about? So, y'all just stay tuned, lock in with it. But, look. I got the camera set up. I got one in the kitchen. So when we first walk in, I got one upstairs. So I'm about to tear her ass up. She ain't gonna know. You know what I'm talking about? Look, I swear, because like they gonna be talking about like, yeah, last time, this and that, whatever coming to their head. You know what I'm saying? Like basically, like I had a girl in the crib when she was not here. So she about to be mad as hell, you feel me? So hopefully everything go as planned. Y'all stay tuned, lock in, like, subscribe, tap that bell. You hear it? Her daughter was always fine though. I don't know why you stopped talking to that one chick though. I mean, last time we came over here, I don't know, last time we came over, I seen her go upstairs and stuff. She came in through the door all quiet, it was dark in here and everything. Yeah. Heard all upstairs going crazy, like bed was rocking. It was. Damn. Marissa here, I don't know where she at, but she's somewhere in the house, you heard me? Everything, like she probably heard it or something. You just got me.
So that's what the fuck we on? Cause I was in there listening, I heard everything.
So listen though, you come in here
I heard everything.
My sons, or listen,
and you got your sons involved?
We about to go upstairs with this.
You got your sons involved?
Chill, babe, chill.
Alright, don't call me back.
Chill,
don't call me back.
Hey, look, hey, I'll be back down in a second though, you feel me? I'm about to take care of this real fast, you feel me? Like,
yeah, let's take care of this.
That shit crazy, you sitting here trying to...
Come on, let's take care of this.
Man. Babe.
Stop talking.
Knock it down.
Stop talking.
Put that shit down.
Get off.
Give me the clothes.
Get off. Stop talking.
Get
off.
Put it down, man.
I'm off.
Here, let me get it.
For what? For what?
But I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what?
I'm going to talk to you right here.
You be fucking bitches and shit up in here?
What you mean? So what you trying to do? Get all your little hygiene and all that type of dumb ass stupid shit too?
You got me feeling uncomfortable. You see your son. Open the fucking door.
Can't come out. You can't come out.
Open the fucking door. Stupid ass bitch.
Yeah.
Don't fucking play with me. Get off of me.
No, I'm saying, so what you mad
Get
about?
off of me. What am I mad about?
Listen,
what am I mad about?
Why you mad?
Your sons just said you had bitches here.
It don't matter.
They was just here a few weeks ago.
What you mean?
Add it up.
They was here last week.
Add it up. Yeah, last week, dummy.
It don't matter.
Add it up.
Add what up?
So you think I'm a dumb bitch? So you expect me to stay here?
What did you think you overheard? What did you hear?
I sat in the room and I marinated. I listened to y'all whole conversation. Do you not understand that? I heard everything. And you told her to be quiet. You know Marissa here somewhere.
Yeah, I said Marissa here.
Yeah, I was right in the next room. I was right in the next room.
I was telling you about.
Tell me about what?
I want you to tell about like the motherfucking landlord and them came over and they was motherfucking making the, you know the floors be squeaking? The bed wasn't fucking squeaking. My son's lying. Dad, why you lying?
Man, shut up!
Stop, Larissa. Calm down. No.
Get off of me.
Calm down.
Get off of me.
My shirt like that, please.
Get off of me.
Listen, though, let's like be cool about this.
No, we ain't gonna be cool about nothing.
Let's talk, Marissa.
When you moved here, I was with you. We basically moved in this bitch together.
I don't be having no girls.
Who was here helping you put all this shit together? Me. And you making me feel disrespected by having bitches here now?
No girl, what?
That's the type of time we on?
I don't fuck with bitches, I fuck with sophisticated women. You hear me?
Oh, so you had a sophisticated...
No, look, I just told you, the landlord was fucking came, he sent people over here. The nigga had his wife with him.
Your son heard
his wife
the bed upstairs squeaking.
Listen how the mattress squeaks.
Duh. Evidently, he probably loud as fuck too, they still can hear you.
Man, shut the fuck up.
Cause that don't sound like a lady.
Oh, you want me to be a lady after you disrespecting me?
How?
You want me to be a lady after you disrespecting me?
In that bed, man.
Then, on top of that, you had a female around your kids. So that means you don't even respect yourself.
Damn.
Don't call them.
Marissa,
why you already put them in as it is?
How? I ain't put them in, they came in, I should have been like, damn, my
What type of example you showing your kids?
My girl was
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I told him my girl was here. You feel me? Like, I don't know what you wrong.
Yeah, because you didn't want me to know.
Marissa.
You didn't want me to know, dumbass.
I told him and I'm like, no, I let him know. Like, damn, go say hi to my girl. She here. Shit, you feel me?
Oh, that's what you said?
What the fuck I'ma hide about the landlord, the floors and shit be squeaking when we walking but down the
Is
stairs?
you dumb? I ain't hurt.
My son,
Bitch, I heard everything.
Don't break my thumb.
The fuck?
What's wrong with
it's
you?
Cool.
I told you that. The woman came over, she was up there, you feel me, just making the fucking shit be squeaking and shit, cause they was
Oh, so you was fucking
power
the
outlet.
maintenance woman. That's what you was doing. You was fucking
And
the
her
maintenance woman.
husband, she was with her husband.
You was
All type
fucking
of
the
little Puerto
maintenance
Ricans
woman.
came in this bitch.
Oh, okay.
Mexicans fix houses
so you was
faster than
fucking one of them
everybody.
then.
Marissa, man, you want some bullshit right now. You ain't
I don't even feel comfortable being here.
Look,
Don't call him. Don't call him.
Man.
I don't feel comfortable being here. I don't feel comfortable being around
No,
you.
you can stay down
being
here.
around,
You can stay down.
being around none of this. You got
I'm
me
just
all the way
coming
fucked up. We supposed to be moving, and you expect me to move to a whole nother state, packing with my kids, and you fucking with bitches? The fuck?
Why you keep trying to hit me though? You know I can dip and bob and weave and shit. Chill the fuck out.
Cause you really just pissing me off
Give me your
though.
toothbrush.
Give me my shit. Give me my
Listen,
shit.
what you trying to do?
I'll
Get your
buy
toothbrush? You trying to brush this shit off or something? I'll brush your fucking... Marissa, get the fuck off my head.
Shut the fuck up.
Marissa, get off. Marissa, stop.
What the fuck wrong with you?
What the fuck is wrong with you, motherfucker? You fucking my shit up.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of my face.
Get your fucking
Get out my
stank ass toothbrush
face.
back.
Give me my shit. Give me my shit.
Marissa, get out of here.
Give me my shit.
Yeah.
The fuck? I'm out.
Where you going?
Fuck you.
Get back in here now.
Fuck you.
Yeah, you think you about to be taking shit? Okay, watch. That shit get thrown right back there. You ain't going nowhere. You hear me?
Fuck
At
you.
all. You're not going nowhere at all.
Fuck wrong with you?
Marissa, come here.
No.
Let me talk to you though.
Ain't no come here.
Come here.
Ain't no come
Let me
here.
talk to you though. Listen to me though. Let me see. Composure check.
What if I was a fucking nigga in the set?
You you on your
Oh
phone
my
head.
gosh, no you didn't.
So what about what?
No, you're not.
Marissa.
So you want me to be calm after you fucking bitches in the same bed I sleep in?
Marissa.
Huh? Bed squeaking and shit. Is you dumb?
Beds don't be squeaking, man. The fuck wrong with you? Beds ain't squeaking. The floors are squeaking. You know the fuck this is the truth. Man, you crazy.
Oh, I'm crazy.
Chill out, though. Listen,
I'm crazy. I'm crazy.
Yeah.
How would you feel?
Deranged.
How would you feel?
Insane deranged. You tripping like right now. I just told you ain't even listen to what the fuck I said. I said my brother must.
Insane and deranged. Back the fuck up out of my face.
I told you my son's motherfucker. You got me on my hookup and shit. My motherfucking son, my motherfucking son was talking about the motherfucking birds and shit chirping.
And your son's talking.
The birds chirping and shit. So I don't know what the fuck that thing squeaking is. Dang, what the fuck y'all thought squeaking was?
Why you keep calling them for?
Good.
This is grown. We have
so they might calm your ass down.
We grown, baby.
Yeah.
Why you keep on involving your kids?
Or something. Do some squats and work out or some shit. You feel me?
Bitch, why don't you work?
Put all that energy riding this dick. You hear me?
Get the fuck off of me.
Let's make the bed squeak then. Let's show them how it's supposed to really squeak. For real.
Boy, I ain't fucking you.
Why?
Fuck wrong with you?
Why?
Get the fuck out my face. I'm out. Get the fuck out my
Say the
face.
fuck in here now.
Get the fuck out my face. Get the fuck out my face.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of my move. Can you move? Can you move?
Larissa, stop. Fall downstairs.
Can you move?
You ain't fall downstairs.
Can you move? Do you want me to slap you?
You seen all the people falling downstairs, you gonna really hear the squeaks and then that's the way you wanna hear the fucking stairs squeak. Look, squeak, 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 squeak. You feel me? They squeaking. That's what my sons probably heard. They probably was daydreaming and shit. You feel me? They be playing the game.
Trying to play me? You really sitting here trying to play me?
Man, why you can't believe what the fuck I'm saying? Alright then, I'm gonna keep it real then with your stupid ass then. You hear me?
Yeah, keep it real with my stupid ass.
Yo, I'm gonna keep it real with your stupid ass.
Yeah, keep it real.
No, for real. Chill out, cause you got me tired of shit. I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too.
All day like this, you feel me? All I had to do was just go pick my sons up and I was letting them know.
Yeah, y'all had a nice conversation about the previous bitch you was fucking in this house a couple weeks ago, upstairs on that fucking, in the fucking bed that I sleep in with a bitch. Man, squeaking and shit.
It's sad. You know what? You know why?
I'm sad.
You know why I'm saying you sad though?
I'm sad.
Because
is you really trying to play me?
Listen, look, you know how you listen.
You trying to gaslight me? That's what you doing?
Gaslight. What the
That's what you doing?
Your gaslight on in your car.
I said there
and heard. Gaslighting. Listen.
What you doing right now? I heard Everything, dummy.
But listen, baby, listen to me. Please look at me in my eyes and love me right now, because I need you to listen to what I'm about to say, because I'm about to be the truth. You know how we be upstairs and we be chilling. We got floors up there. Our room is up fucking stairs. You feel me? You want to go up there or something and see for yourself, motherfucker? Only I did was wash the sheets. You feel me? So I'm like, damn, I want to wash the sheets.
Oh yeah, so that's why you washed the sheets a couple weeks ago when I was gone too.
I washed the sheets because I wanted to.
When I had to stop at the house.
Man, listen.
So that's when you had bitches.
Anyway, look, you remember I said I had to wash the sheet because like I get up on the
you're lying.
You're lying. Let me talk, though.
You're lying.
Can I get a chance to tell you?
Why? Because everything that comes out your mouth is lying.
Tell you the truth.
Okay, tell me the truth.
Look. When I washed the sheets because I was drinking motherfucking juice, Kool-Aid on my motherfucking cup. Listen, for real. And that shit, the stain got on the sheets. So I'm like, my sons is here. You feel me? They can tell you on everything. Damn.
Don't call him, because last time I checked, you was doing laundry, so you was washing everything. I'm telling you right now.
Look, they was down there
That's what I'm telling you.
They was down there asleep. The TV was
You fucking lying.
Why the fuck they falling asleep with the TV on? Listen,
bitch.
Listen. So he must have been hearing like some shit that he was watching on TV, some shit.
So you're telling two different stories.
No, listen.
Because last time I checked, you watched the shit because you was doing laundry. Now you still juice.
Now I'm confused, you hear me?
Bitch, I would be confused too.
You calling me a bitch and you is
I would be confused too.
Because listen.
Because you can't even keep up with your life.
So look, alright, this ain't even a fucking lie, it's the fucking dead.
And you think I'm about to be disrespected like that? I'm a woman.
Honestly, God.
You think I'm about to sit around and let you sit there and play me like that in front of my face?
Listen.
I'm about to be gone in an instant, baby. Get out of my face. Listen to me.
So look, I was down there. I was like, I spilled the juice on the sheets, right?
You
so
can talk without touching me.
Okay, I don't got to touch you again because you might try to hit me. That's why I'm touching you because you ain't listening to me. And I feel like if the magnitude.
Get back to the story.
I can hold your hands and let you know that I'm serious. You can feel my vibration. You know this is real. Listen,
get back to the story.
Look, girl. Damn. Listen. They was upstairs. I mean, my sons went up there, they was downstairs sleeping shit, so I spilled the juice on the fucking sheet. So, you know, we got to walk down all these stairs. They must have heard all them squeaks from that stairs, these stairs, and the other stairs, and the other stairs from the basement. So I put the shit in the washing machine, and the shit was too heavy, so the washing machine was just going back and forth, making that noise, and they thinking I'm about to fucking bang in her or something. It wasn't even nobody here. She came over to fix the outlets, I promise you. Damn.
What type of bitch do you think I am?
Mom, motherfucker, what the fuck you...
Like seriously.
Man, you getting out of
seriously.
control. What you been watching enough or something? You think you just hitting me, knocking me and fuck out my
like what you think this is? What you think this is?
Admire your beauty,
baby.
Listen,
admire the bitch that you had in the house beauty, okay?
Marissa, you can just go ahead and leave.
I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her leave.
Go ahead and leave.
I am. Fuck you.
I'm just playing. It's a prank. I tricked you. I lied.
You ain't tricked me.
I swear, cause look. I swear, I did the intro earlier when I was about to go pick up my sons and shit, man. Listen, I swear. And I told them, like, if y'all yours, like, up there, you feel me? Like, I'm gonna be finishing the fucking prank that I just told y'all what to do. You feel me? Like, they was down in the car with me when I picked them up from my mama house. When mama dropped them off at my mama house. I picked them up. You know what I'm saying? And then them motherfuckers, I told them, like, Daniel, Zell, we about to prank Rissa. When we go in the house, the camera gonna be right where the fuck is at. I'm gonna show you the camera in the kitchen. You hear me? I'm gonna show you the camera in the kitchen. And I'm gonna show you the intro and everything. And I'm lying. They lied too. They'll tell you. Daniel and Zell.
I'm on.
Then we gonna listen. My son's good as fuck too. But I got you. You feel me? The camera over there, man. Look. Right over there by motherfucking little thermostat, fucking whatever the fuck that thing called. The shit, what the fuck they call that shit again, girl? The one shit that big carbon dioxide thing. That's where the fuck is that? Now look at it.
Nah, get off.
I can't get over there.
I'm still like way sorry.
You ain't that sorry.
I'm still like way sorry.
Alright, somebody prove it to you. Look, yo, I just got her. I don't know what the fuck she doing. I ain't even gonna tell my sons to come up here. I don't know what the fuck they got going on. Cause my son was trying to do his own shit. He was mad cause I was like, damn, I don't feel like bringing it. Daniel and Denzel, you feel me? They didn't want to be doing it. So I'm like, fuck it, you feel me? So it is what it is. I got Marissa, you feel me? So like, she over there pissed, you feel me? She ain't gonna leave cause she probably wanna just make the bed squeak. So y'all stay tuned, stay locked in. Much love. I got her.